Hi there, I'm Jennifer Farrar and I'm the Executive Director here at Asbury Woods. And I just wanted to talk today a little bit about how you can go about using Asbury Woods. We know right now that there's a lot of people who are looking for new ways to get outside and stay active, maybe get out in nature, experience the trees, the blooming springtime. And we know maybe there's a lot of people who haven't been here before and are wondering how they use the trails, where they access the trails, so we thought we'd give you a little intro. Right now I'm at the Nature Center part of our property, which is located on the east side of Asbury Road at 4105 Asbury Road. This parcel has about 50 acres. The trails from this parcel do connect to the rest of our acreage, but it provides a nice trailhead where there's a kiosk with maps to the trail network. And this part of our property also has our accessible boardwalk. So it's a great way if you have any mobility issues or in a wheelchair, maybe you're just worried about being on the trails where it might be rutted, roots and muddy. So the boardwalk provides a great way for you to get outside, get out in nature, and that again is here at our Nature Center part of the property. Across the street behind Asbury Community Park on the west side of Asbury Road are also several trailheads to access our property, and you can find a kiosk with trail maps there as well. The other popular access point is at Brown's Farm Barn at 5774 Steratania Road. That's a great place to start if you're looking to get down to Walnut Creek or experience the bridge that goes across Walnut Creek. The Brown's Farm parcel is a great trailhead for you to access our property as well. All told, there's about 205 acres, almost 5 miles of trails for you to get out and enjoy. So we hope you do that. If you'd like to look at the trail network ahead of time, you can visit asburywoods.org. Our website has a map of the trail network as well, a great way to get familiar with it. My colleague Melissa is going to talk a little bit more specifically about some tips on being a good trail user, especially during this time. So we hope you get out, and we'll hope to see you soon. Thanks so much.
Greetings. My name is Melissa Goodwill, and I'm the Education and Program Coordinator for Asbury Woods. We are happy to keep our trails open during these rather unusual times as a safe place for your family to come and enjoy nature and enjoy outdoor recreation. For your safety, as well as the safety of our property, we ask that all visitors follow the following leave no trace tips. In order to ensure public and staff safety, public garbage cans will not be available for the duration of the closure. We ask that you please pack it in and pack it out. Any trash that you may have during your visit here to Asbury Woods, please take it home for proper disposal. You can tell a lot of tree species here at Asbury Woods just by looking at their bark. Over my shoulder, that dark, rough-looking bark belongs to the black cherry tree. Just next to it, slightly lighter bark, but still a little bit rough, that is a maple. And here to my left, the smooth, light-colored bark of the beech tree can be seen. Carvings on trees and other structures here at Asbury Woods takes away from the natural beauty. Loving nature means not leaving your mark on it. Asbury Woods has become a very popular place for people to come and spend time this spring. Our 5-mile multi-use trail system is still open and available from dawn until dusk for non-motorized activities. We do ask anyone visiting the property to please maintain that 6-foot distance from people they may be passing by on the trails for everyone's safety. Dogs are also welcome on our trails. We just ask that they remain leashed for their safety and for the safety of others. The 205 acres of Asbury Woods is home to many different unique habitats like hardwood forests, a creek, fields, wetlands, and more. This time of year, many of the plants are beginning to grow and many animals are also emerging from their winter hideaways. They can be beautiful to look at and wonderful to observe, but please do not handle or remove any of these species. They all play a vital role in the habitat that they call home. The trail network at Asbury Woods can lead you all the way from the Nature Center up to Brown's Farm on Steratania Road and back again. We ask that all visitors please stay on the trails for their own safety. Not only could going off trail lead to muddy feet in some sections, but we also have some poison ivy and the potential to come across ticks on our trails. For your safety and for the preservation of the land, please stay on the designated trails. We know that your four-legged friends love adventuring at Asbury Woods too, but we ask that you please pick up and properly dispose of any waste that they may leave behind. Asbury Woods is so happy to have our trails open and available for the members of the public. We've seen so many people out enjoying our trails, and we've been enjoying many wonderful reviews that you've all been leaving. We look forward to seeing you again soon.